Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to be designing YouTube thumbnail. Very beautiful yet easy to do. Gone are the days where you need Photoshop, you need CorelDRAW to do fanciful design. Now, thanks to technology, things are a lot more easier. So, without further ado, why not give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and let's jump into the system. Alright, this is CapCut. So you can see CapCut for the first time. This is how the interface looks like. All you just need to do, just click here to sign up with your Gmail account. You can use your TikTok, your Facebook, okay, mobile, or you can decide to just log in with your email or sign up with your email and create your password. That'll be fine. All right, so let me log in now and we'll see inside my profile. This is my profile. Everything is done online, so you have to be sure that your network is okay so you can have a stable connection. All right, what we want to do now is to start designing our thumbnail, right? Okay, go ahead and look at this page, templates. Click on the templates, click on the templates. Let me also explain this. So look at recent drafts, you can share, you can use magic wand. This is my space. This is what I just created, and you can create new space. Okay. Now, because I'm not working with videos, I'm going to toggle this and change to image. Image is what I want to work with. Okay. And don't get distracted by all these things. They are all videos because this is video, this is image. You can also change, you can have with different sizes, I mean. All right. So let's go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnail. That's what we want to work on. So YouTube, sorry. Okay, just type YouTube and let's go. So you're gonna get different options, beautiful options actually, and they are free. They are free. So let's pick one. I think I will go with this. This is nice. There are other beautiful ones. Oh, very beautiful. Look at different sizes. Oh God. All right. Let me stick to one. So I'll go with this. I'm going to edit it. Okay. So look at this. Use this template. Go ahead. Click on the template. Allow it to load. And as it's going to load on a different tab. You see, this is where we came from, and this is where we are right now. Very good. So now that everything is here, what you want to do now is you need to understand these parts. Okay. So the templates are here. You can also change it if you want. Okay? If you don't like this, just click on it and one click, and this one will be gone. Okay, and you have another one. And in some cases, it will tell you, do you want to create this on a different page or you want to have it on the same page? All right, let me give it a click and see. So that will just show you. All right, you see what does happen now? You just created it on the same page, you see. So you're just replacing them. But or if you want it to be on a different page, you go ahead, you open a different page, okay, add page, the same size, then search for the template you want, click on it. So you have this and you have this, two different templates. You can see that they are so easy to edit, change the pictures, and you're good to go. Let's now go back to my template. I hope I'm going to see it easily here. Oh, I'm not seeing it. Okay, let's go back to this point so that I can quickly get my template back. Where's my template? This is my template. So I want to, okay, my template is back. So what you want to do now, go to design. Design, you can, you have different themes, a lot of colors to understand, different themes, different. Click it. This one helps you to understand color combinations. These color combinations, if you come here, so you can upload your files, okay, that from your computer, from Google Drive, and to the rest of it. I think you understand all these things. Text, we have different fonts, different style. We have shapes, okay, square, rectangle, stars, different. stickers, so you can select. I think you should just go ahead to understand this thing yourself. They are simple. Let's go back to template. Then, if you double click this, you can change to anything you want. So let's just start CapCut. Okay, CapCut. Let me delete this. CapCut thumbnail. Okay. So I'll just adjust it. What are the days where you need to learn Photoshop to be able to do your design? Now CapCut is here for you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now. This is going to encourage me to make more videos like this that will help you improve on your YouTube journey. Okay, so CapCut thumbnail made easy. Let's have made easy. Okay, made. Or should you say CapCut? No, let's use YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to change it to YouTube thumbnail made easy with CapCut. So I'll be back after changing the title. All right, welcome back. You can see that it's so easy to adjust. So YouTube thumbnail made easy in CapCut. Okay, this image is not what I want to use, so I'm just going to import my own image. Now, when I click on the image, see, look at these tools here. You can crop. This one simply means to replace. This simply means to duplicate. Okay. If you click on this, you see other options. You can paste. You can arrange. You can bring forward, bring to the front, back, and the rest of it. You can also lock. Maybe you're working on different files and you don't want them to move around too much. You can just click on lock. You can also set as background. You can also apply color themes. Okay. If you also want to flip, maybe you want to flip to the left, flip to the right, just go ahead and flip upside down. You can do that. Okay. That is you can flip horizontal or vertical. But what I want to do now is to replace the image. So I come here, replace the image. Okay, look at this option. Say select from computer, select from my computer. And whatever I'm selecting will be saved in my space. So I go ahead, select the president of the United States of America. Okay, selecting the president. Okay, look at what happened here. Because I worked on this image before, I removed the background. But I want to show you how you can remove background of any image. So I'm going to remove this image for now, but this is what I'm going to use at the end of the day, okay? Or will I use at the end of the day? Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just, I'm not sure. All right. So if you come to upload, so let's upload from this device. Okay, I have a minister here. Let's go ahead and select, don't select any picture you want. Um, let's go with this. Okay. So all these are under projects. You understand? All these files that will be under your project, and some other files will be under your space. That is, under your space means all the files you've used before to be here. Do you understand? Okay. So let's go back to project. Select this lady. This is the image we want to use. Let's remove this. Okay. Go ahead. Adjust it to the size you want. Okay. But I don't need the background. So what I'm going to do, just click on the image, come to remove background, click on it and toggle this button, turn it on, and the AI will analyze the picture and remove the background. I tell you the truth, is so easy to do. Did you see that? Very beautiful. Remove the background without stress. So this is good. And I think I like this. I like this like this. This is so easy to understand. Then I don't like this sharp edge. It's too sharp. So I'm going to flip. Okay. I'm going to flip it. Yes. Oh, it's a lot better. But I still want to do some other thing. So I'm going to I'm going to bring this up a little, make the image a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to add an extension here. This is what I'm going to do. Come to shape. Okay. So let me pick this. Okay. Adjust it. I don't like that sharp edge. It's too sharp. So I'm going to change the color. Come to the field. I'm going to select from color. You see. I just want something to blend in. Yeah, think I'm better like this. Okay. I think I like this. So just go ahead with whatever you want. Make your adjustment and make the design suit your purpose. One other thing you want to take note of, look at this design. These templates, you can delete them if you want. You can delete. Okay. And I like to also explain this. You can duplicate this template. If you're a constant YouTuber, I would advise that you have a constant kind of template, okay? A constant style. So that when people see your template, they know that, oh, this is coming from this channel. Let's now assume, I have page 1, page 2. Okay, I can change the name of this. Let me change this one to um hmm, channel. Just to have something different, okay? Now, if I want to export now, if I click on download all, it's going to group them in a particular folder. Okay, it's going to zip them and download them together. But there are other options. If I click on download, look at this gear. If I click on the gear, I can copy as PNG, but no problem. Let's stick with this. Go to this gear. Now look at select pages. So I can select the page I want. I just want page 1, so I'll untick page 2. Okay, that's okay. Then if you now want to select PNG, PDF, so you can select those formats. Let's select PNG. This is the size we want. This is the standard size of a YouTube thumbnail. So we go with that. Click on download, and you are done. You see, it's that easy. It's that easy. You don't have to stress yourself trying to get fancy softwares. No, you are so good to go. So our download is ready. You can see that our download is ready. If you have not subscribed to this channel up to this point, kindly subscribe. This is going to be a huge encouragement to my channel. And like the video if you have not liked it. If you like this video now, YouTube will be able to share it with other persons. Okay, everybody will be able to learn and we'll all be happy. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye.